There's a tool students are using to finish their assignments in a fraction of the time, and most people have never heard of it. Not ChatGPT, not Gemini, not anything you've probably seen before. It has one capability the others don't, and by the time you understand what that is, you'll never research the same way again. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into it. Perplexity AI, you've probably heard the name, but Perplexity Student is something different. Perplexity is an intelligent search engine, but not like Google, which just throws links at you. It answers, it cites, it explains. And now they've built a dedicated plan for students, priced low enough that when you find out, you'll wonder why you didn't start earlier. But hold on, before we get there, let me show you how the tool actually works, because without that foundation, none of the rest matters. When you ask Perplexity a question, it does several things simultaneously. First, it searches the internet in real time. Second, it filters out low-quality sources from credible ones. Third, it delivers a structured, comprehensive answer with a specific citation for every single claim. What does that mean in practice? It means no hallucinations. That thing ChatGPT sometimes does, wrong answer delivered with total confidence, happens far less here because every statement is directly tied to a real, verifiable source. Now let's talk about the feature that makes students obsessed with this tool. Perplexity has something called Spaces, a personal workspace where you upload your files, papers, notes, and tell it work only with these. You don't have to re-explain your context every single time. Perplexity holds a memory, but not the creepy general kind, a project-specific memory built around your work. Imagine writing a thesis. You have 20 papers. Before, you'd read each one separately, take notes, manually compare findings. Now, upload all of them. Ask, what are the core disagreements between these papers on topic X? And Perplexity analyzes all of them at once. But here's the question a lot of people ask, and it's a fair one. Is this cheating? The honest answer is it depends on how you use it. If you say, write this assignment for me and submit it as your own, yes, that's a problem. But if you use it to understand faster, find sources, organize your thinking, that's not cheating. That's having a smart library available 24 hours a day. The difference between a student who succeeds with AI and one who doesn't is simple. One uses it to learn, the other uses it to skip learning entirely. Now let's go through what's actually included in the student version. First, Unlimited Pro Search. The free plan limits Pro Search. The student plan removes that limit. Pro Search means Perplexity doesn't just search once, it runs multiple passes, cross-references results, and gives you the deepest answer possible. Second, Advanced Models. With the student plan, you get access to more powerful models, including Claude and GPT-4, usable directly inside Perplexity. Third, Unlimited File Uploads. PDFs, Word docs, slides, upload anything, analyze everything. Fourth, Perplexity Pages. This is a newer feature most people haven't discovered yet. It lets you build a full research page, essentially a personal Wikipedia entry on any topic, and share it. Here's something most people overlook. Perplexity has a feature called Focus. It lets you restrict your search to a specific source type. Tell it only search Reddit, or only academic sources, or only YouTube. For a student, this is huge. When you're researching a scientific topic, you go straight to peer-reviewed papers, not random websites that may or may not have accurate information. Let me walk you through a real scenario. A student is preparing a group project. Topic, the impact of AI on the job market. Without Perplexity, hours of Googling, hunting for credible sources, reading long papers, writing summaries, connecting ideas manually. With Perplexity, ask what does recent academic research say about AI's impact on labor markets? List the sources. Within seconds, multiple credible papers, a summary of each, direct links. Then ask, compare these perspectives and show me where the disagreements are. What used to take hours is now a conversation. Now I want to be straightforward about something. Perplexity isn't perfect. Sometimes the sources it surfaces carries a perspective. Sometimes it simplifies a topic more than it should. Sometimes on very niche subjects, it lacks the depth you need. That's why you should treat it like a brilliant assistant, not an oracle. Ask questions, get answers, but keep your own judgment switched on. let's come back to the question that's been sitting in your head since the beginning. Why Perplexity Student and not everything else? Because it combines three things: real-time search plus powerful models plus personal memory. None of the other tools have all three together. ChatGPT has real-time search but limited memory. Gemini is capable but weaker on academic source integration. Perplexity puts all three inside a student plan at a price that actually makes sense. If you're a student or someone who's constantly researching, try this tool. The free version is still solid, but if you want the full capability, the student plan is worth taking seriously. Drop a comment and tell me what AI tools you're currently using for studying and research. Genuinely curious to see what's working for people.